Hello, my name is Joey Tudor, and I am a pre-business major here at University of Arizona, and this is my presentation about water and business for the class BE 170A with Dr. Poe. My thesis statement is, that being said, large corporations and businesses are one of the main contributors to polluting our clean water. My whole essay touches on how these are incorporated with this, and in my intro, I talk about how I chose this thesis so I can cover most, if not all, of how businesses pollute our clean water. And also in the intro, I talked about how every single living organism on this planet needs water to survive, so you can get a sense of how important it is to keep it clean and fresh. I'm going to be touching on three main ways businesses can contaminate and pollute our very important clean drinking water. The first of three main reasons is when they dump waste and toxins onto land thinking it is okay, but in reality it is contaminating our groundwater drastically. To the left is a diagram of all the different ways they pollute, whether that being illegal dumping or a spill or water. It all affects our groundwater, which is very important to keep clean for crops and such. So the diagram, you can see illegal dumping, spill, a well. These all affect us directly, whether that be the crops that are grown. Those can be contaminated. The water we drink, those can be contaminated. The second of three ways is plastic water bottles. This has been a huge problem for a long, long time, and there has not been a lot to be done about it. Personally, I use a hydro flask and never use plastic water bottles. It's way more convenient and it helps the environment. The big businesses that use plastic water bottles strictly for their own personal gain because it is the cheapest option and it's the most convenient and easiest. In my paper, there is a statistic that 83% of the water we drink have microplastic fibers in them, which is crazy to think about and honestly disgusting. The last thing I will be talking about is the big factories and other corporations dumping straight into lakes, rivers, and creeks. As said in my paper, lakes, rivers, and creeks are the three main resources for clean drinking water that we have in the United States. It is the most important to keep all three of those clean. And as you can see in this picture, the businesses are literally dumping it straight into our clean water sources, which is causing many, many issues. This is one of the main things that businesses do. And as you can see in the picture again, just the runoff from the factory goes straight into our clean drinking water, which is crazy and disgusting. In conclusion, big businesses are contaminating a lot of our clean drinking water sources. This is a huge issue that the EPA and us as humans need to fix. Not only them, but do whatever you can to help fix this. Businesses are one of the main contributors to this problem, and these are my resources, and